Are you trying to decide between ManyChat and Chatfuel? You're not alone. Today, we'll compare these two popular chatbot platforms to help you choose the right one for your needs. Both ManyChat and Chatfuel allow you to create chatbots for Facebook Messenger. They help businesses connect with customers, answer questions, and even make sales. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's start with ManyChat. This tool is user friendly and great for beginners. It offers a drag and drop interface, making it easy to design your chatbot. ManyChat also supports SMS and email marketing, which is a big plus for reaching more customers. Now, let's look at Chatfuel. This platform is also simple to use, but it's a bit more flexible for advanced users. Chatfuel allows for more customization and integration with other apps. This is helpful if you want to create a more complex chatbot experience. So, what are the key differences? ManyChat is better for those who want a straightforward setup. It's perfect for small businesses or those just starting with chatbots. Chatfuel, on the other hand, is ideal for users who need more control and customization options. When it comes to features, ManyChat shines with its visual builder and marketing tools. Chatfuel excels in its AI capabilities and integration features. Both have great support and resources, but ManyChat is often praised for its community and user guides. In terms of pricing, ManyChat offers a free plan, which is great for beginners. Chatfuel also has a free option, but its paid plans can get a bit pricier for larger businesses. So, who should choose what? If you are a small business looking for ease of use, go with ManyChat. If you need advanced features and customization, Chatfuel is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.